My name's Colleen Hughes. I am in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm the beverage director, head mixologist for the Tony Dandel Brown Restaurant Group. Today I'm going to be making a drink from Ever Andalo called Caffé with Caffé Negroni. Charlotte really has been a big part of where I've come from. I've always bartended in Charlotte. It's a little different there. It's a control state. So being in a control state as far as liquor goes means that, especially in the early days, I had to figure out how to make everything. I had to basically learn how to cook and create flavors from the ground up, which gave me a lot of freedom and flexibility. It also kind of takes any boundaries away because you're making everything. So anytime I make a syrup, I might just say something innocuous like strawberry, but usually there's probably about 10 ingredients in there that are all supporting the flavors that I'm looking for in that specific syrup, and then different cooking techniques. Do I want it to taste like a cooked like pie strawberry or a fresh strawberry that has a little green on it, you know? So I'm gonna make for you today the Caffé Negroni. I wanted to do like a fun riff on a Negroni for our Italian restaurant. Negronis are just kind of staple drinks. We wanted to kind of elevate it and make it a little bit more fun. So to start, I'm gonna use Diplomático rum at about 1.5 ounces. And this is their Maturo, so it is a dark aged rum. That gives us a lot of kind of a velvety backbone as opposed to gin. And then I'm gonna use some Campari. It's not a Negroni without Campari, a nice bitter aperitivo. And in a controversial move, I'm not doing it in equal parts, but there is more rum in this drink than anything else because I like boozy cocktails. And then Carpano Antica. Carpano Antica has a lot of vanilla notes. It's a very prevalent flavor. A little bit of a pro tip, if you're making a bitter drink and you want to kind of quell bitterness slightly, a couple of drops of salt water will actually kind of take just the little bit of the bitterness out and help round all the other flavors together. Your mouth wants salt all of the time, so kind of just helps tie it together. And then we're gonna go to this ice cube. And then this is just kind of for fun, but also coffee combines with these flavors so beautifully, but I didn't want to just do it in a normal way. So I make the vegan coffee foam that also has a little sugar and a little vanilla. If you don't have super molecular coffee foam, just go ahead and pour a little bit of cold brew coffee on top and it will be just as good. I'm Colleen Hughes. This is the Caffé with Caffé Negroni. This beautiful cocktail can be found at Ever Andalo in Charlotte, North Carolina. I hope we get to see you guys there and enjoy one together. Cheers, enjoy. I have a coffee mustache.